Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how you can write a post on Etoro. So let's get started guys. So just go to your Etoro website and then log in with your account. And then you'll be over here on the home page of Etoro. Then what you're gonna do is just scroll a bit down and then over here you'll find this option which says what's on your mind. So over here you can write a post, also upload some attachments, and you can also create a post. So we're gonna write something, so just press on it, ignore it guys, and then share your thoughts. So what do you want to write? So let me just try, let's get started. And you can select this post option and it will post guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you write a post on Etoro guys. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.